Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy DJ Magic Kenny. I know it's been a while, it's been a minute, but we finally here together. Subscribe to this channel, man. If you're a DJ, you know I share a lot of tips and a lot of information that can help you grow in your career. Just like I learn things that I learn, I'm sharing it with you so you don't have to spend years or experiences or bump your heads up so many times to learn. So today, what I'm going to be sharing with you is how to upgrade your laptop, how to change your laptop without losing your playlist, without losing your crates, without losing your cues and the vibes that you have. You know, a lot of DJs, especially one of my friend, went to his house the other day, and then he was having a hard time creating a lot of new playlists, a lot of new crates, like one by one, because he got a new laptop. And I'm like,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
there's a much easier way to do this. We can get this done in like this, and you don't even have to create no new crates, like no new playlists. Everything is still gonna be the same. I was like, what? Show me. So I showed him. So now I'm realizing a lot of DJs may not know how to do this. So this is why I'm making this video, to show you guys how to transfer and how to upgrade your laptop without losing your playlist, without you losing your crates and all of that good stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. With all these updates, man, you gotta make sure you have a good computer. Like, this is my old computer. I know you guys, if you watch some of my YouTube before, you definitely see me DJ with this laptop. But now I got me a new one. I got myself a new laptop. So what I'm teaching you right now today, it's something that I had to do myself. We're not gonna waste no time. Let's get to the first step. The very first step is you need a hard drive. You need a hard drive. It depends on how many music you have. Like this one is 1 terabyte. I have a lot of music in this bad boy. So for me, I needed 1 terabyte. The very first thing you need to do is, of course, get you a hard drive so you can make the transfer. The second thing that you're gonna need to do is your new computer, you need to give it the same name as the old computer. So basically, when you got a new computer, you setting it up. You know, you want to put your, if you have this is for Apple, by the way. This is for MacBook only. I don't really know how it goes on Microsoft, but I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. But for Apple, you make sure your new laptop got the same name, the same exact name as the old one. For example, mine was DJ Magic Kenny, just one word. So this one, I put a DJ Magic Kenny, just one word. Don't put no space. Don't try to put no signs. Don't try to put like lowercase or you got to make sure it's exactly the same. You can change your password, obviously, if you want, but the username that for your Apple ID or for that laptop to enter it, it has to be the same name. Step 3, you need to make sure that your music folder is also the same name and it's at the same location. But let's get deeper. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So when you see here, when I go on my music folder, you see this folder right here, Music X. This is the folder that I have all my music. All my music, all the music that I have here. This is where all my playlists, all my music are. So it's called Music X and it's in the music folder. So if in your old laptop, for you, for example, let's say your music folder was in desktop, or it was in download, or it was in document, you want to make sure that in the new laptop, you put that folder in that same place, which is if it was on desktop, you put it back on desktop. If it was download, you put it back on download. If it was music, you put it back on music. But music folder, it's there for a reason. So I would assume that your music folder is in your music. Okay, so when you're done with step 3, we move into step 4, which is you copy all your music folder, wherever it's at from your old laptop. If it's in music, you copy it from music and you drop it in your new laptop in the same folder, which is music. Wherever you are copying your music folder, make sure that you also copy those 2 Serato folders. It's usually in your music. Make sure you copy these 2 Serato folders, which is Serato and then Serato backup, and then you also copy your music folder. If you want to select those folders individually, you just press Command on the keyboard and then you click on whatever folder you want to select. See, very easy. Comment and then you click on the folder you want to select. So right now in step 4, we want to copy these 3 folders, which is Serato backup, and then your music folder, the folder that has all your music. You copy all these 3 things right there, and then you put them in your new laptop. Well, you put them on your hard drive, and then from the hard drive, then you transfer that to your new laptop. Okay? And then in the new laptop, you want to make sure these folders are in the same place where you moved them from in your old laptop. So the Serato and Serato backup is automatically going to be in the music folder. And your music folder that has all your music, if you don't keep it in music, then you put it where it belongs, where it was in the old one. Copy?
Okay.
Then we move on to step 5. Step 5, you're done transferring your music from your old laptop and your Serato folder from your old laptop to your new laptop. So now you just have to open Serato. When you open your Serato, let me go here. Here we go. So now, most likely when you go to your Serato, the music, it depends. If you did everything right and the music folders are the same, the names of your computers are the same, everything is the same, most likely all of your music should show up. You know, you should be fine. All of your music should be like this. You press play, you're ready to go. But there's a very slight chance that your music may show up like this. That orange, you may have that little orange thing on your music. So which means they not either at the same location or Serato cannot read them, cannot find them. Don't worry, I know how to fix this.
My nigga.
So that brings us to our final step. Our final step, which is you go to File. You see this folder right here as you're looking at the screen, Files. And you make sure that you select, for example, me, like I told you, all my music is in music. So when I click on music here, I can see my folder again. You get what I mean? So you click right here. But you don't even have to do that because it's going to scan your entire computer anyway when you do what I'm about to show you. So you click on File and you see right here where it says Rescan ID 3 tags. You make sure you click on that. And then you see where it says relocate lost files. You clicked on that as well. It depends on which computer you have. It may take a little while. It may take up to an hour or 2 or 3, sometimes way more than that. Depends on how many music you have, how much songs you have on your computer. I have a lot of songs on my laptop. So what I suggest you to do if you have a lot of songs on your laptop like me, do this transfer at night where or in the morning while you're leaving to go to work or to go do your errands and stuff like that. Me, I did mine at night. So what I did is before I went to sleep, I made the transfer, unpacked my new laptop, make the transfer, did everything step 1 to step 5. And when it comes to this, I just press the relocate lost files, rescan ID 3 tags, and then I went to sleep. And then when I wake up in the morning, everything was working perfectly. All my music was back to normal and everything. So once you click on those things, it's gonna rescan everything. As you can see, it's loading right now. You're gonna get those message in the bottom right here, looking for replacement. You see, replacement file. So now it's gonna scan your entire computer and then look for those missing songs and those new names that you may have for them. So once you do that, you're good to go. So step one, make sure you keep your laptop the same name. Make sure the folder for the music is the same name, it's in the same location. Make sure you have a hard drive to do the transfer. Make sure that you copy the Serato folders and put them in your music folder. If you've done all that and your music is still showing up as orange and you can't play them, then you click on File, and then you click on Rescan ID tags and relocate lost files. And all your music is going to be white and ready to play. And that's it. This is how you transfer your music from your old laptop to your new laptop without losing your playlist, your crates, and yeah. I hope this video helped you, man. DJ Magic Kenny, all the DJs, make sure you link up with me on Instagram, DJ Magic Kenny. Let's get these parties